Kayla. This is my first video and I'm really excited because this is probably going to be one of my favorite videos that I do for you guys. So my husband and I got a Goldendoodle earlier in the year, around June or July, probably the end of July. His name is Boomer and he is so gorgeous. He is an F1 Goldendoodle, standard size, so he's pretty big for us. We're used to having a 4-pound dog. His name is Copper. He's my pride and joy, my 7-year-old. But this is Boomer. Come here, Boomer. This is Boomer. Hi, buddy. Hi, honey. Yes, I know. Oh. So we fell in love with Boomer and we just loved him so much. We decided that we were gonna do it again. This is Miss Kimber. Hi, sweet girl. Can you say hi? Oh, thank you for the sugars. Thank you. Can't get the earring. Okay. Well, we love them so much, and we have Goldendoodle times 3. Sadie, come here, girl. This is Miss Sadie. Hi, Sadie. Hi, sweet girl. So all 3 of our Goldendoodles are F1s. So that means that, hey Boomer. So that means that their mom was a golden retriever, or their dad was a golden retriever, and the other was a poodle. So they're half. Oh, hey Copper. Can't forget Copper. This is my 4-pounder. You have an Einstein hair day today. So I bet you guys are thinking, what a crazy person. How in the world do you have that many dogs in the house? Well, we didn't intend to get that many. We just kind of fell in love with it, and we kind of got 2 for the price of 1, so we ended up with 3. Anyway, long story short, my husband is going to hopefully, he's going to finish the basement or build us a pretty building outside for the doodles to play in and to live in, so we don't have so many in the house. But so from now on, I'll be posting videos and pictures of the puppies growing and how they're doing, and some things that make it easier for me, so all of you puppy owners will be able to have some tips and stuff for taking care of your own. But I just wanted to start the video off by saying that, and I hope you guys like this video. If you do, please give me a thumbs up. If you have any ideas or want to see specific things, please shoot me a comment and maybe that'll show up in the next video. I'm going to try to post at least 1 video a week, hopefully more, depending on my schedule, especially with the little puppies. So there's that. But thank you so much, and I will just kind of show you what their day looks like when I get home from work. So yeah, thanks.